motherfucker. West side for life. You know how we do it. On the west side of Los Angeles. Fools try to fuck with Train and then they expose. Just like BK, she already know that I can fuck 'em up so smooth. Cause the bullets penetrate them blues. Yeah, you heard what I said, penetrate. I wipe you, Call of Duty, eliminate. So don't ever try to perpetrate. Cause you sound like a pair with that obligate. But you already know who I am. So don't ever talk shit with them hams. Asking homies what's the yams on the slams. When I kill a motherfucker, it's a genocide. So before you choose, just decide if you really wanna go down that path. Cause you know Killer Street will last. Fools can't do shit to us. Ride a beat just like a tour bus. People already see I'm a raider. So you can't fuck with my nation, bitch. No relation. You already know that I'm the skip man. So don't ever fuck with Killer Street, never. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Trap house, take the motherfucking mic.
Hey, you know how it is, Raider Nation on this motherfucking bitch. I be writing all these motherfucking rhymes, blowing up and down with my low rider. Don't ever fuck with me, cause then I'll fuck you up. Yeah, I don't know what you know about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. I'ma go fuck you up in my G, cause I'm a motherfucking CRIP. Don't ever fuck with me, Raider Nation on this motherfucking bitch. I'ma go fuck you up like you all fuck be cashing on no records, yeah. We real motherfucking G's, so don't ever fuck with our crew, cause we may fuck you up in a minute with these left and right bars. Cause you know how it is, you know how it is on the motherfucking CPT of the West Coast, slapping these bitch assholes, cause you know what's a G thing. Raider Nation on this bitch, shout out to Ice Cube, cause how to survive in South Central, it's a G thing, nigga. Hey, hey.
Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played. Fools wanna step to us and they get played.